Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I am going to show you how to install Msys2 for installing MinGW w64 compiler. And after that I am also going to show you how to run C or C++ programming using this MinGW w64 compiler. So for that you need to go to your favorite browser and to download Msys2. So just simply type Msys2 download, hit enter. Just simply go to the official site of Msys2. This link I am going to provide right on our video description. Here you need to scroll down and you will get this installer. So you need to download this installer. Here it is rightly downloaded. Just simply click on that installer. You can minimize your browser. Here just simply click on next. This is where our Msys2 is going to be installed. Totally fine. Click on next. Click on next again and it's going to start installing Msys2. So we'll come back. So our Msys2 is now rightly installed. Just simply click on finish. That's going to launch our Msys2. Here to execute a command. So this is the command. I'm going to put this command right on our video description. All you need to do is you need to copy this command and to paste it over here and hit enter. That will show you all these different packages. So just simply type Y and hit enter and it's going to immediately start installing MinGW w64 on your system. So it's going to take some time. You need to have active internet connection during this installation. And there you go. You can see it is rightly installed. So you can simply close this and go to your C drive. Here you will get Msys2 folder. So you need to go inside that folder and you will get this MinGW w64 folder again. So you need to go inside. You will get a bin folder. Go inside that. And here you will see all these files and folders. So to put this path to environment variables, you need to copy this path first and go to search and type environ. That will show you this editor system environment variable. Go there and click on environment variable. In system variables, you need to click on path. You need to click on edit and you need to click on new and you need to paste this path over here. So that MinGW/bin folder path over here. Click on OK, then again OK, and then again OK. And now if you just simply go to your search and open command prompt, so just search for command prompt and open that. And within command prompt, if you just simply type gcc space -- version and hit enter, it's going to show you this prompt. So if you're getting this, then all that basically means is you have successfully installed your MinGW compiler. Now let's do a bit of coding. So we'll create a folder and I'm going to give that folder name as cprog, and we'll go inside that folder. We will create a new text document and we are going to give this file name as prog.c. We can create C++ program as well. Process will be exactly same. So just open this in a notepad and write a simple hello world code snippet and just save this file. And now I'll show you how to run this program. So you need to click on this address bar and type cmd. Open your command prompt right at this location. And here you need to provide this file name. But before that you need to type gcc and then this file name, which is prog1.c. So prog1.c and hit enter. So after successfully compilation of this file, it's going to generate a exe file called a.exe. So that is what you need to run. Just simply type a and hit enter and it's going to show you the output, hello world. So that's how you install MinGW compiler. If you want to know how to use Visual Studio Code for running C or C++ programs, so in that case here is the video for you. Please do follow all my different videos on our channel. I'm sure you're going to love them, and also don't forget to subscribe our channel and also joining our community. That's going to really motivate me to make more this similar kind of videos. Also if you're interested on Python, you can also follow all these different projects over here. And detailed source code are also available on our official geekyscript.com website. And same goes for WordPress and different other topics as well. So that's basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video and God bless you all.